This is my video number 3 on quantum mechanics series. After giving a brief description on quantum mechanics in my first video, I made my second video on wave particle and duality explaining what is it, and after that here I am with my video on superposition. So let's get started. Imagine if you were in two places at once. No, not a clone. You, the same person existing in multiple realities simultaneously. Well, welcome to the bizarre world of quantum superposition, a reality where impossible is not just possible, it's inevitable. And trust me, the real world mysteries of superposition will leave you questioning everything you thought you knew about existence. Superposition is one of the strangest concepts in quantum mechanics. It states that quantum particles, say an electron, doesn't exist in just one state, but in all possible states at same time until it is observed. Think of it like flipping a coin, but instead of landing on heads or tails, the coin existing in both states until you look at it. Physicist Arian Schrödinger came up with a now famous thought experiment to explain how absurd superposition is. Imagine a cat locked inside a box with a radioactive atom. If atom decays, it releases poison and kills the cat. If doesn't, the cat stays alive. But according to quantum mechanics, until we open the box, the cat is both live or dead at the same time. So does reality depends on whether we observe it? This isn't just hypothetical game. It's a puzzle that scientists still grapple with it. Stranger than fiction. Real life mysteries of superposition. Story number 1. Quantum computers, the ultimate superposition machines. I have already explained this in my previous video, but once again I'm telling you, your normal computer processes information in binary, either zeros or 1. But due to superposition, a qubit can be both 0 and 1 at the same time, making it exponentially more powerful. Google's quantum computer reportedly solved a problem in 200 seconds that would take the world's fastest supercomputer 10,000 years. What does this mean for future? Superposition could literally unlock artificial intelligence and think like human, or maybe even something beyond human. Story number 2. The delayed choice quantum eraser, changing the past. Here's where superposition start breaking the reality. Scientists conducted an experiment called delayed choice quantum eraser where a photon's behavior changed after it had traveled, meaning the future decision somehow affected the past. Yes, you heard that right. The mere act of observation can seemingly reach back in time and rewrite the history. Are we living in a universe where reality is being decided based on what we choose to observe? Story number 3. The quantum suicide experiment, a glimpse of immortality. Now, what if I tell you that superposition could hint at a way to live forever? The quantum suicide thought experiment suggests that if you were to stand in front of quantum-based gun that has 50% chance to fire, then in some realities it fires and you die, but in other it doesn't. And because of quantum immortality, you always experience the reality where you survive. Meaning from your perspective you never die. If true, this could mean that consciousness hop between multiple universes, making death an illusion. The big question, what does that mean to us? So if superposition is real, what does that mean for you? Are we all living in reality where every possibility exists at once? Is your future already written in multiple ways, waiting for you to observe the right one? Are we unconsciously choosing which timeline to live in every moment? These aren't just philosophical questions, they are real scientific mysteries that could redefine our understanding of life. Next time you wake up, ask yourself, are you sure you are in same reality as yesterday? Or did you somehow collapse into a new one? After all, in quantum world, everything is possible. If this blew your mind, imagine what quantum physics is hiding. Subscribe for more mysteries that science is only beginning to uncover.